Automation. It's not the distant future, it's the new reality. And the tedious, error-prone task of flagging a wire by hand is now history. With the BradyPrinter A5500 flag printer applicator. Print custom flag labels on Brady's premium materials, then apply them in about 5 seconds. Wires, bundles, jacketed fiber, fluid lines, and rods are flagged in perfect alignment without wrinkling, spiraling, or bubbling. Brady Workstation software automatically calculates the largest possible print area for each label based on the diameter of your wire. Brady's smart chip bidirectional communication technology saves time and materials normally wasted during setup and calibration. The BradyPrinter A5500 flag printer applicator is defining the future of automation.